How to add your address on Aliexpress website. Now if you want to add and save your address on Aliexpress, just simply open your aliexpress.com website at very first, and after that you just simply need to select any product at first, or you can go into your cart if you have any product selected, and after that tap to checkout button. And once you tap into that, you will directly get an option to add address. First of all, you need to select your country/region, and once you select that, you need to select your contact information, which includes your name and your mobile number, and then you need to add your address, which includes your street, house, apartment or unit, and apartment, suite, unit are optional. And after that you need to select the state or province, which is necessary, and also the city, which is also necessary. Then you need to add a zip code of your area, and once you fill out all of these information, you can enable this toggle to set as default, which will save your address in your Aliexpress account, and you can use it for every single orders. If you don't want to do that, simply disable this toggle and tap to save button. So this is how you can add your address in Aliexpress website. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.